Hello and welcome to this tutorial. If you are a beginner or an experienced user, looking to improve your skills, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I will take you through the step-by-step process of creating a golf ball model using NX. From creating the initial sphere to adding the dimples and finishing touches, we'll cover it all. So let's get started. Let's start by setting up our sketch. Select front plane as sketching plane. Draw a circle of diameter 42.7 mm. From the center, draw a vertical and horizontal line intersecting the circle. Draw a circle. Apply dimensional constraints to fix the circle's diameter to 4.5 mm. Apply geometric constraints, like point on curve, to center the circle on the vertical line. Apply vertical dimension 1 mm. Trim the unwanted curves, as shown. Click Finish Sketch to complete the sketch and prepare for 3D modeling. Use Revolve, select the curve as shown, vertical line as the axis, and press Apply. Again use Revolve, select the 42.7 mm diameter curve as shown, vertical line as the axis of revolve, and press OK. Now, subtract the 4.5 mm dia body. Use Pattern Face, select the subtracted face, specify vector for rotation, and center point. Select Count and Span in spacing option. Enter count as 7 and pitch angle as 15 degrees. Use flip arrow to decide the direction and press Apply. Now we will pattern the individual faces. Change the type to Count and Span. Count is 6 and Span is 360 degrees. Now count is 12. Repeat the steps and enter count 18 and span 360 degrees. Count 21 and span remains same. Count 24. Count 27. Use mirror body to create a mirrored copy of the body on the opposite side of the golf ball, ensuring symmetry and uniformity. Use Unite to merge the two bodies into a single, solid body. Use Edge Blend tool to create a smooth, rounded edge between the dimples and the golf ball surface. We just witnessed the detailed design process, from sketch to reality. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more 3D modeling tutorials and design content. Until next time, keep on designing and creating.